Quick one for you today. I've got NVIDIA's actual quarterly report, a 45-page PDF, and I'm going to turn it into a clean Excel dashboard using Codex. No copy-pasting numbers by hand. Let's go. So here in my Downloads folder, I've got NVIDIA's 10Q. This is their official quarterly financial filing. It's dense, it's long, and normally you'd spend an hour just finding the numbers you need. I'm not doing that. I'm going to paste my prompt. In my Downloads folder, there's a file called NVIDIA.pdf. Pull out the key financial figures: revenue, gross margin, operating income, net income, and revenue by segment, and build an Excel sheet with a summary, dashboard, and charts comparing this quarter to the same quarter last year. Because Codex has full access to the files on my computer, not the cloud, my actual computer, I can just point it straight at this PDF and tell it what I want pulled out. Watch this. I'll leave the model as is, hit run, and now it's going to open the PDF, read through all those pages, and start pulling the numbers that actually matter. While it works, this is a good spot to fast forward. It's scanning the income statement, the balance sheet, pulling out revenue by segment, and starting to build the spreadsheet behind the scenes. A file this size usually takes a few minutes, and there it is, done. I can open this straight from the chat. Look at that. Revenue, gross margin, net income, all broken out with a chart comparing this quarter to last year. That took me one prompt instead of an hour of digging through a PDF. One more thing, this file actually lives on your computer, not some cloud account. Click here, hit open in folder, and there's your real Excel file, ready to share or dig into further. That's it. That's how you turn a dense financial PDF into a clean dashboard with Codex. Try it with any report you've got sitting around and let me know how it goes. See you in the next one.